In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change font size on CapCut in 2026 using your laptop or on the web. So if you're editing text and wanting to stand out more, changing the font size in CapCut is super easy. So let's go step by step. So first, open CapCut on your device and load your project. So go to projects and click on your project. Now, once you're inside the editor, move your playhead to where you want to add or edit the text, just like that. And next, if you haven't added text yet, what you can do is to click on the text at the left side. Now, what you need to do is to hover over add text and drag this default text to your timeline, just like that. And next, type your caption. So I'm going to type my caption right here. So I'm going to say CapCut tutorial and change the preset style. Now with your text selected, look at the editing panel. So you'll see a size option or a slider. So hover over font size and drag this slider to increase the text, or you can drag it to the left side to decrease it, just like that. You can manually adjust it depending on your device. So you can drag this to adjust the font size, just like that, and position it to where you want it to. So as you adjust it, you'll see the text update in real time on your preview screen. So you can adjust font size for titles or hooks, for subtitles or captions, or to highlight key points. And once done, your text will be clearly visible and properly sized for your video. Thanks for watching.